Hey everybody, Michael Snyder, Pacific Northwest Weather Watch. Today is August 6th, and right now we're going to do something special here over the next few months here. Kind of a new direction for the channel. We're going to do a monthly recap here across the Pacific Northwest. So if you have any ideas here, I'm still constructing this. We're going to do the first one that's going to cover July 2024. We're going to take a look at what the weather models and the Climate Prediction Center said was going to happen for the month, and we're going to look what actually happened. We're going to look at individual locations. We'll take a look back to see what I talked about during the month, and we'll go over some of the storms and we'll round things up. And, we'll also take a look at what you want to look at. So what I mean by that is we have the National Weather Service and we compile this data here. This is for Seattle National Weather Service, Olympia, Quileute, the Weather Forecast Office in Seattle, Tacoma, Bellingham, and Hoquiam here. So if you are a member of the page, it's one of the perks of being a member of the page, you can tell me which one of these areas you want to see, and I will do a bit of a roundup on those given areas. So if we take a look for Portland, you can see it: Portland, Redmond, Roseburg, Salem, Scappoose, Dallas, Troutdale, Vancouver, and what else here? We've got Medford, Oregon. Medford, that's the only one they do down that office down there, but if you want that, we'll take a look at that. Pendleton, Redmond, Dallasport, Ellensburg, Pasco, Yakima, Walla Walla, Hermiston, Oregon is covered, and this is by the Pendleton, Oregon National Weather Service office. This is for Boise. It does Boise and Burns, Oregon, and then Spokane, it does Spokane, Feltsfield, Deer Park, Pullman, Lewiston, Moses Lake, Ephrata, Wenatchee, and Omak. And if you want, we could do some western Montana as well: Kalispell, Butte, and Missoula. So let me know, if you are a member of the page, which one of those you want me to do a roundup on, and we'll go ahead and dive into that. And otherwise, we'll take a look at those individual locations here. We'll take a look at some of the, the anomalies and the precipitation anomalies across our region and whatnot. And then we'll look off into the future here. You can see this is what we'll cover on when I do this update here on Thursday. We're going to look at the climate outlook for August 2024. And then, of course, when we get to early September, we'll go ahead and play back and look at things and see what the weather model said and see what actually happened and what I actually covered in my day-to-day briefings here. So it should be kind of fun. And also, on the side note, also this week or later this week, actually, it might not be till next week, correction there, because I want to wait for the most recent Climate Prediction Center data and the most recent predictions here, because we're going to have a new update here on August 8th to see where we are headed as far as neutral or La Nina conditions as we go through the fall and the winter months coming up here. And those videos seem to be very popular here, so I'm going to continue to do those, obviously. And there's ENSO blogs that I get to read here, and we get to go through all this data here, and it's really fun to watch to see where we might be headed for the fall and winter months. But anyway, I just wanted to put this out there here. Let me know what you guys think, if you have any ideas and whatnot. So the first one will be coming up here in a couple days. So, I want to kind of make this nice, and of course we'll tweak it as we go on into the future. But yeah, look forward to doing that. The full data should be out here on Thursday morning, so I'll be able to then make the video, and then we'll do that El Nino video probably the following week there when we get all the full information in there. So anyway, hope you guys are liking these videos. I'll do my normal briefings tomorrow, and I will talk to you guys then.